Yeah. A lot of talent here tonight.
There has been.
Yeah, fantastic.
And you're going to add to it. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome to the stage, Wayne Powell.
Thank you. Well, you know, as a songwriter, there's a lot of falling in and out of love that happens in life. It's one of my specialties, writing about it. I try to bring levity to the idea of breaking up and how that feels. So this song, yeah, I think it does the job nicely. It's called Free Falling. That's what it feels like when she says, it's over. I love you as much as the dolphins love the sea. Love you as much as the rainbows love the sky. Love you as much as the birds love the trees. Love you just enough to set you free. Now I'm free falling. I'm letting the wind blow right through. I'm free falling. Gravity keeps holding me back to you. Living in the love we know is a well being that flows through our broken dream. Free falling. I love letting go of who we think we are. I love letting go of who we wanna be. I love letting go of agendas that just don't fly. Love letting go of living a lie. Now I'm wind blow right through. I am free falling. And gravity keeps holding me back to you. Living in the love we know is a way of being that flows through our broken dreams. Still in a wild passion flame. Love being still in the rush of ecstasy. Love being still in the midst of awesome pain. Love being still in a hurricane. Now I'm free. Right through. Oh, free falling. Gravity keeps pulling me back to you. living in the love we know is a way of being that flows through our broken dreams, free falling, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Honesty and love is a way of being that flows free. Thanks. And for those of you who like to get high, this song was written for you.
Oh, yay!
Back in the 80s, I was living in California, growing pot for a living. And it was really dangerous back then to grow pot because they could lock you up and take your property and auction it. Even if you didn't own it, the owner you're renting from, he'd lose his property. So the only way they could detect it back then, because they didn't have all the laser cameras they have today, was with helicopters and, binoculars. So we had this pot farm on 7 hillside acres. We had a big dog, and we had fences, and the biggest danger of all was the teenagers who would come in at night while you're sleeping, snip the fence, feed the dog, and make off with your buds before you woke up. So there was a lot of dangers in growing pot back then. But now that it's legal, there's a great video on YouTube called Shine a Light on the Hillside. And that's the name of this song. There's a weed growing in my garden. Some say it can help through. Smoke the flower for inspiration. Just might chase away your blues. Gonna shine a light on the hillside. You never know who might be coming. Shine a light on the hillside. You never know who might be there. Shine a light on the hillside. I'll be giving you fair warning. If you cross that fence, just beware. Needs protection from the ones who we know are not nice. I'm ready if you're coming. I can give you some healthy advice. Know who might be there. Shine a light on the hillside. I'll be giving you fair warning. If you cross that fence, best beware. Machine guns in the bushes, barbed wire on the electric fence, a guard dog, he will eat you. Flashlight in my hand, I'm sleeping in the tent. Shine a light on the hillside, you never know who might be coming. Shine a light on the hillside, you never know who might be there. Shine a light on the hillside, I'll be giving you fair warning. You can cross that fence. You cross that fence. You cross that fence. Yes, beware. Back then, the pot wasn't GMO, you know? You know what I mean? You know. But you had to smoke a whole joint to get there. Well, as Barry said, I'm from Kauai. So I'm going to sing you a love song to Kauai. Anybody here been to Hawaii?
My parents. My
Okay.
parents used to go there.
All right, I'm going to take you there now. Save you the plane fare.
Life's just that more expensive. It's more stupid. Probably won't go anywhere. Until I get that travel person.
I can't go to Hawaii.
The song was written by Mike Smith. His first time to Kauai, and his girlfriend took him up the Kalawao Trail, which is kind of like the end of the world, because the nearest body of land is Japan. And she took him to this waterfall, and that's what inspired the song. And the song is called Nani o Kauai, which means the beauty of Kauai. And that is the proper way to say it. Kauai, Molokai, Lanai. Yeah, there's an Akina in there. We call it something else, but in Hawaii it's an Akina. So imagine yourself now, you're on the Kalawao Trail headed towards the waterfall. And when you hear the words, Nani o Kauai, we're singing about the beauty of, the exquisite beauty of one of the most beautiful, a lot of people think the most beautiful islands of the Pacific. I don't need no city lights to make me feel alive. A cross country shack and my sweet baby makes everything alright. I've been searching for so long to find a place to call my own. The garden I beckon to me. Ando ai ke aloha, you're home. Nani o Kauai, your beauty is so rare. I saw a rainbow through a waterfall, fragrant flowers fill the air. Sun-filled rain fell down on us, blessings through the day. Shades of green and blue surrounding us. Never change your way. Nani o Kauai, Kamala ona pua. Ona mokihana, Kaua ola monua. Your soft wind soothes, your waters cool me. I don't need no city lights. How I love you and the stars at night. Bring me home. Nani o Kauai, your beauty is so rare. I saw a rainbow through a waterfall, fragrant flowers fill the air. Nani o Kauai, Kamala ona pua. Ona mokihana, Kaua ola monua. I saw a rainbow through a waterfall, fragrant flowers fill the air. That's your lullaby for this evening.
Yeah.